Hey, so this is how you would swap FNC to either USDT or USDC. Um, First, you want to go to fancybirds.io, right? Click on your wallet. It should be the same process on your mobile. Click on Airdrops, and you want to make sure this is completed, right? Some of them I was checking, it still says pending. So first thing, you want to go to Airdrops, check the date, make sure it's completed, and then you can also click on bonds and whatever FNC it says here, right? So before it was over here, so now we have 243 actual FNC. Now we can swap it, right? Before you swap it, you probably want to import the tokens on your Metamask, so next time you won't have to do it. Let's see. No, actually, just copy the address here. I'll also put it in the description. Import tokens. So it says FNC, add, import, right? So now you can see your how much FNC you actually have. And then if you don't have USDC yet, you can just go to this one, add to Metamask, and add token, right? So usually you want to have USDC to transfer to Binance, but now I think they can do USDT as well. So for this one, I'm gonna swap the FNC to USDC. So just click on this one, swap FNC. You'll see something like this. Just click on I understand, right? And switch this. So FNC is over here, and now you want to look for USDC, right? What another way that you can import it is to copy the address and paste it here, so it'll be the same thing, right? So now you just same thing as exchanging this, max it out, confirm, so one FNC is actually around 13 cents. So now for about a week or so playing, this is what we got. And then you swap it, confirm, confirm it again, and wait for it to go through. Alright, so it went through, and now you can see I have the $33, and I can now send this to whichever wallet that I want. So if you have a Binance wallet, you can send it there, and just click on max, or however many amount you want, max, and then click on confirm. I'm not gonna send mine because I'm actually gonna buy some more FNC so I can read. But yeah, so just send it to your Binance or other Metamask, and then withdraw it from there. Alright, thanks.